Hello everybody, YouTubers. Basically today what we're going to do is I have a video on how to add memory to an Inspiron 2305 Dell computer. Now I'm going to start out here showing you exactly how to do this. This is the back of an Inspiron Dell. You can see anybody that has a 2500 knows the back of the computer. The front of it, okay, looks something like this, right? Dell. So first of all, you have to lay the Inspiron Dell down, and we're going to lay it down like that. And we'll just grab a basic screwdriver, basic little kind of screwdriver here, guys. So basic screwdriver, and on the back of it over here, under the cover, there's two screws. So they're basically right about here. There's one here. See, I'm taking that off. Okay, there's one screw. Take that one off. Okay, so if I can get you a better view here, I'll show you where that screw is. It's right about there. See the hole? There's the screw. There's one there and one on this side. And then you pop the other one off. Pretty straightforward. You take the screw out. Okay, basically you can just pull those screws out, or you can make it a little loose. You lay it down firmly, and I'd put a towel or something. You pull the back off like this. Okay, the back actually comes off. And I'm going to move this over here. There's an area here where it covers free memory. There's no hard drive in this one here. I'm going to put it sideways here so I can show you a little view on this. Basically, here is your memory cover. Underneath here is your system board. And those aren't hard to change out of either on a Dell. But you just take this screw off, and this little plastic, well, metal, slides forward. And there you have your memory. You pop your memory stick out. Now these will take, I think you can put 2 4s in them, 2 8s. This one actually had 6, and I already took out some. Right here you have put your memory module in there. Doesn't really matter. Put that on. And this would be, and here is your motherboard. So if you took this off, it's a very small motherboard on these. You would pop that out. But your memory is right in there. So basically, take that, pop it back in. I have to move my camera up a lot higher, so I'm going to be doing that in the future videos. And tighten it back up. And like I said, the cover, I'll do it this might be better. You just drop it down, and it just slides right in. Sometimes you just have to move it a little, but it will just slide right in there. And once you tap it in there, you take your screws. Like I say, there's one screw up in here, one screw up in there. That's how they look. You just, it's kind of tough to move these around. You don't really want to. And then just put your screws in. Like I say, same place we took them out. You can see probably a little hole there. See that one right there? There's a hole there, and there's a hole there. You just pop that back in. Now, one thing I wanted to say about the Dell Inspiron, and I wanted to say the 2305. You know, it's got an AMD processor. It's probably not the best, but it's entry level. It's okay. That particular one, I've been doing Dell stuff forever. So I just wanted to let you know. And that takes 10600U. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day.